Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick showdown between Microsoft Lists and Trello, two awesome tools for organizing tasks and projects. Let's break them down, compare their strengths, and see which one's best for you. Ready? Let's go. First up, we have Microsoft Lists. This is a smart information tracking app built into Microsoft 365. It's like a supercharged spreadsheet with templates for tracking issues, assets, or events. You can create lists with customizable views, think Kanban boards, grids, or calendars, and set rules for notifications like flagging overdue tasks. It shines with deep integration into Teams, OneDrive, and Power Automate for automation, perfect for businesses already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Now, Trello. This web-based tool is all about simplicity and visual task management. It uses Kanban boards with cards you can drag and drop across lists, add checklists, due dates, attachments, and comments to keep things moving. Trello's Butler automation handles repetitive tasks, and with over 100 integrations like Slack and Google Drive, it's super flexible. Great for small teams or anyone who loves a clean, intuitive interface. So, how do they stack up? Here's a quick comparison. Alright, verdict time. Microsoft List is your go-to if you're deep into Microsoft 365 and need robust, customizable tracking for complex projects like managing inventory or team workflows. It's powerful but can feel a bit heavy for simple tasks. Trello, on the other hand, is perfect for small teams, freelancers, or anyone who wants a lightweight visual tool for managing tasks, like planning events or tracking personal projects. Its free plan is a big win for startups. So, which is better? It depends. Go with Lists for enterprise power and Microsoft integration, and pick Trello for simplicity and flexibility. Try both to see what fits your vibe. That's it for today, guys. Drop a comment on which you prefer and subscribe for more tech showdowns. See you next time.